Following our previous lesson on headers and footers, this is where you harness the power of Word when creating a professional document. With headers and footers, you can create a professional document by mastering how to apply the following tricks to your documents and reports. Master these 3 tricks and become a pro in document creation. One, different first page. Use this feature to exempt the cover page. Consider a scenario where you have a cover page or title page where you don't want a header, footer, or page number to appear, but you want them to appear from the second page onwards. To apply this, in the Header and Footer tab, check the box for different first page under Options group. Now, you can leave the first page's header and footer blank or put unique content there without affecting the rest of the document. Page numbering will usually start from the second page. Two, different odd and even pages. Use this feature to apply a book-style layout to your document. Assuming you are creating a formal report or book where you want different content on odd-numbered pages, e.g., book title, versus even-numbered pages, e.g., chapter title. I believe you've seen books with such feature. To implement this in your document, do the following. In the Header and Footer tab, check the box for different odd and even pages. Word will then provide separate header or footer areas for odd and even pages. Enter a header or footer item for the odd pages, an item for the even pages. Three, headers and footers with section breaks. Section breaks are your key to having completely different headers and footers, and page numbering schemes, within the same document. To learn more about page and section breaks, see the video on section breaks in the link within the description. Consider this scenario: you created a thesis report that has a preliminary section with Roman numeral page numbers I, and then the main thesis body with Arabic numbers 1, 2, 3, and a different header text. In this case, you need to insert a next page section break where you want the header or footer to change. We did this in the lesson on section breaks. When you do this, take note of the link to previous button under the navigation group. If you insert a section break and go into the header or footer of the new section, you will see a button labeled Link to Previous on the Header and Footer tab. By default, this button is on. This means the new section's header or footer will be the same as the previous sections. To make them different, you must click this button to turn it off. Once Link to Previous is off, you can customize the header or footer for that specific section without affecting prior sections. To restart page numbering in a new section, e.g., from 1, 2, 3, First turn off Link to Previous for the footer, then go to Page Number and select Format Page Numbers from the list. In the Format Page Numbers dialog window, change the number format to 1, 2, 3. Then, choose to start at 1 and click OK. Remember to change the number format of the preliminary pages to Roman numerals I. Headers and footers are far more than just decorative elements. They are powerful tools for managing and professionalizing your documents. By mastering their use, along with concepts like different first page and the crucial role of section breaks, you demonstrate a high level of proficiency that is essential for MOS certification and invaluable in any professional setting. You're no longer just creating documents, you're structuring them with purpose and precision.